Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope everybody will be fine. Today I'm on this construction site and I will guide you for proper design of steel reinforcement in the construction of beam, column and junction between beam and column. What is the proper way for steel reinforcement? So let's get started guys. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, you can see this is RCC top beam. Depth is 18 inches with concrete cover. Width is 12 inches. We have total 6 steel rods. Dia is 16 millimeter. 3 bars at the bottom, 3 at the top. But I will tell you guys, this is not the proper design of this beam. As you can see, this is tension zone and this is compression zone. Same they used here, 3 steel rods at the bottom, 3 at the top. So this is not the proper design, because in tension zone we will use maximum numbers compared to its top portion. But this is same, because concrete is weak in tension but it's strong in compression. So therefore in tension zone we should use minimum 4 steel rods. At the top they can use 2 steel rods, but they don't know about the steel structural drawing, so therefore they did this design by a steel fixer. Dia is same. So the bottom portion dia should be maximum compared to its top portion. Now guys, you can see the other problem in stirrups. Stirrup spacing is same. So the first stirrup should be placed with minimum from RCC column 2 inches. But here you can see this is about 3 to 4 inches. Next guys, you can see the dia is 8 millimeter. It is okay. But if you see its hooks are bent on 90 degrees. So this is not the proper design. Hooks should be bent on 135 degree and the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches from the reference of IS 456-2000 as well as from ACI, American Concrete Institute. This is the reference of hooks and also spacing, etc. Guys, you can see clearly the spacing is 4 inches. Now guys, you can see this is the junction between beam and column. So on this place we have negative bending moment. To resist negative bending moment, they should provide extra steel rods to resist negative bending moment. But unfortunately, they did not use the proper extra steel rods, which length is about just 12 inches. The extra steel rods length should not be less than L by 4 distance, where L is the length between 2 columns. Guys, the spacing should be provided closely in the place of L by 4. After L by 4, you can increase the distance between 2 stirrups. This is the proper design. But if you see here guys, hooks you can see, and the hooks should be also provided alternately according to the steel structural drawing. Guys, you can see here spacing is same here. Actually, this beam is designed for 4-story commercial building. So this is not the proper design of this beam. Guys, you can see this is the junction between beam and column, and extra steel rods they did not provide. Instead of extra steel rods, they provided lapping length. So this is also one of the big mistakes. Hope this video can help you. Thank you.